This is a simple demonstration of an application of artificial intelligence in automating what would previously have been a manual task requiring human intervention. The scenario involves a smart camera that scans employees' faces as they approach a door, using facial recognition technology to compare the face against an image database of employees. If the employee is authorized to gain access to the door, the smart camera transmits a secure wireless message to a smart lock connected to the door, which then automatically opens, admitting the employee. Unauthorized employees and unrecognized faces will not be able to gain automatic admission.